What's going on, everybody? Ben Levy back again with another video. Since my car is down, I got requested to make a little video, POV video with the ZL1. Okay guys, let's go. Hey guys, safety first, seatbelt. Hopefully it doesn't rain while we're driving. 2019 ZL11LE. The car is still a little bit cold. Wow, there's nobody on the street. It's so weird. SS2SS. This car is very, very, very fast. You can really feel that it is a track car. Obviously, you could still daily it, but it's definitely not the smoothest ride for sure. It is actually pretty quiet stock, but it does still sound really good. Eventually I think we are going to be putting some type of exhaust system or headers on this car so you can hear it a little bit more. Car does spin a lot, but I think it does need new tires. Like, it's gonna need some new tires pretty soon. Honestly, the whine on this car is pretty quiet. Like, you don't really hear it much like the Hellcats. I'm pretty sure in this car you have to get like an intake. The whine will be much louder. It does have the auto rev match. I like rev matching by myself most of the time, but it is really cool how it does it for you. It looks so dark because of that. And these windows are tinted. I hope you guys can still see outside. I hope you guys can hear. Take this turn. Does need to be louder. There's a little pull over here. Wow, this car needs tires. It's way too windy right now. I can feel the whole car moving. This car is rowdy. What are these ducks? Come on, duck. Come on. They're going so slow. gear is too sketchy to do both, so I'm not gonna be doing that. You really can't like mash the throttle because it just spins so much. You have to kind of ease into it because that's so much torque off. Like no torque, so when I drive this I'm like, oh my god. I feel bad for the people that are in front of me. They probably think I'm like some crazy guy. Echoes like crazy. That's my first gear. Give it a couple revs over here. Shifts and stuff like that. It's so windy out, and it's probably gonna rain. Or not probably, it will rain. But that was still a lot of fun. I'm gonna give you guys some external revving clips. Guys, that's gonna finish up today's video. I know it's kind of short. I hope you guys still enjoyed it. Make sure you guys comment more videos of what you want me to do. I actually did this video because someone requested it in the comments. So guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. I'll see you guys next time. Guys, there's like marks on my face because of this, so.